Hello all, welcome to Easy English. Today let us learn the difference between am, is, are, was, were and will be. See, as you can see on the board here, you see am, is, are used in the present tense, was and were used in the past tense and will be is used in future tense. In English, there is a verb called be, be. Am, is, are, was, were are the different forms of the verb be. Okay. See, in present tense, with I we use am. In past tense, with I we use was. In future, will be. See, with we, you, they, we use are in the present tense. With we, you, they, were in the past tense. With we, you, they, will be in the future tense. With he, she, it, we use is in the present tense, was in the past tense and will be in the future tense. Okay. See, let's understand this concept easily through these examples. As you can see here, see, am, is, are, was, were and will be. These are the short forms. So just take a look at the short forms here. And I am in Bangalore now. So I used I am with I. I am in Bangalore now. Now, right now, I am in Bangalore. Okay, that's why I am saying I am. And yesterday, I am talking about yesterday. I should not say I am. Now, I was. Because I was yesterday. I was in Hyderabad yesterday. See, I am in Bangalore now. Right now. But when I am talking about yesterday, past tense, I can't say I am. I say I was in Hyderabad yesterday. Say tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be going to Delhi. So that's why I will be in Delhi tomorrow. So I hope you will be able to understand this. Say I am in Bangalore now. I was in Hyderabad yesterday. I will be in Delhi tomorrow. Am, was, will be. Future, past, present. See, take a look at second example here. She is tired now. Right now. She is tired. Okay. And she was alright in the morning. But when you are talking about morning, morning is already over. So that's why you can't say she is alright in the morning. She was alright in the morning. And after some time, maybe now she is feeling tired. After some time, she will be again okay. So that's why I hope she will be okay soon. She is, she was, and she will be. Take a look at the third example. You are very intelligent now. Now, at present, you are very intelligent. 2 years ago, you were a dunce. Dunce means very slow learner. Okay, not intelligent, very slow learner. 2 years ago, you were a dunce. And after few years, you will be the most intelligent student in the class if you work hard like this. Means now you are very intelligent. You were dunce few years ago. You will be the most intelligent student in the class. In the future, you will be the most intelligent student like this. Take a look at the next example here. The children are at park now. They are means the children means they. They are at park now. Okay. Right now they are playing. In the morning where they were, the children were at the school. At school. Why I should not say the children are at school in the morning? Because the morning is already over. So that's why the children were at school in the morning. In the evening, again after they have played, okay, they are going back to home. So that's why they are going back home. So that's why the children will be at home in the evening. See, they are at park now. They were at school in the morning. They will be at home in the evening. So like this. Next example. I am interested in cricket these days. Okay. Now at present, I am talking about my interest. Okay. I am interested in cricket. But couple of years ago, I was not interested in cricket. I was interested in football. See, When I am talking about couple of years ago, I used I was. Maybe maybe my interest is in cricket, but in future, who knows? I don't know what I will be interested in future. See, I am interested, I was interested, I will be interested in future. I don't know what I will be interested in future. See, it's a new technology. It is a new technology. See, now maybe AI. AI is a new technology. AI is a new technology now at present. But few years ago, internet was a new technology. See, I use it, not internet is a new technology few years ago. Internet was a new technology few years ago. Okay. We have no idea what will be in future technology. See, it is a new technology, it was a new technology, and we have no idea what will be the future technology. Future, how it will be, we don't know. See, I am a doctor now. Suppose I am a doctor now. Okay, now at present I am working as a doctor. But couple of years ago, I was a student. I was in college, right? I was a student. After few years, what happens? I will be an experienced doctor in few years. See, in few years, what happens? I will be an experienced doctor. See, am, was, will be, are, were, will be, is, was, will be. For at present, we use am, is, are. For past, was, were. For future, we use will be. So this is how we use am, is, are, was, were, and will be. Okay. I hope you have understood well through these examples. Okay. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, okay, share with your friends, those who are in need. Okay. Use am, is, are, was, were, will be in the correct way in your day-to-day English. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.